Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're unboxing and trying on one of my favorite bags of this year. It is the Speedy Soft 30 from the Flight Mode collection. Now we have already taken a look at the Keepall and I was more than in love. Now I found out it came in a 30 soft version as well as a side trunk, which we will be looking at a little bit later, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one. But let's take a look at the 30 soft today. So the 30 soft is a reimagination from Louis Vuitton. It is based off of its iconic Speedy silhouette, of course, it looks exactly the same, but it does have a plush kind of modern twist. The soft, in my understanding, has only been released in the 30 centimeter size, which is ideal for like a carry-on if you are traveling. But if you think of the traditional Speedy orientation, it just has those top handles or like a crossbody. This one has released with a very functional top handle. So you can put it on your shoulder, you can put it on your arm, and you're not gonna try and force your hands through the little top handles. And in my opinion, that is the money shot of this bag, the handle. Now, of course, there are a few other details that make this bag super unique, like the charms. With all of the Speedy Softs that I've seen, they come with really unique charms. This one comes with 3 different charms. So it has the awesome airplane charm, which I think is really like the money shot of this bag specifically in terms of charms. You also have a blue cloche with a key inside and of course a lock on the top. And then you also have this oval tag, which is one of the stamps on the bag. Now, I have never truly been one to like wear bag charms, or especially not this many bag charms. So I might remove some of them or, even wear it without if I'm traveling with this bag. I do think it calls a little bit more attention to it, and the bag is already pretty busy on its own, so I don't fully think it needs them. So just keep that in mind that like, even though these things come with them, you can always swap them out. You could always use, instead of a blue cloche, you can get like, a tan vachetta one. If you are gonna swap it out for a different color though, I would suggest doing it right away so that the vachetta can, weather the same as the other pieces on the bag. Now, let's talk about that for a second. Obviously, with a light colored leather, you are going to want to take a little bit extra care with, the tanning of the leather. So this has a very light leather on the handles. And when you touch those handles with your hands too many times, you are going to like transfer some oils, or, if you put it down, it could get wet. So just be really careful if you do pick up a bag like this. Now let's take a look at the bottom. You do have an extra stamp there, and that just like proves the authenticity of this bag. I have seen, there's so many ways to skirt paying the prices of Louis Vuitton, and that is one of the key distinguishers for this bag specifically. Now, let's get into the try-on. So I am first trying this on without that handle. You saw we took it off, and you can see like it does work as a arm crook bag or just a handle bag, and I don't think it looks too big. I know that when we unboxed the Speedy 25 in the multicolor collection, we were like, okay, is it a little bit big? But I personally just think it was a little bit big for a crossbody. This one, because it is a handle bag or more of a duffel bag, I think it's awesome as a handle bag. I also think it's really awesome with this strap. Like, I am sold on the Speedy Soft after seeing this bag. This arm handle, I think, should come with all of the Speedies because, you don't always want to use a crossbody. I think it's great to have a crossbody, but if there were more interchangeable options, I think that would be so fun. Now, I also just think that the stamps are so interesting and lively and just happy, right? Like, especially if you're traveling, you should be happy while you're traveling if you are using this for travel. You will see that the stamps, depending on which side you put outward, will give it a different persona. So just keep that in mind as well. That is all we have for this unboxing. Let me know what you think of this piece in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.